Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday morning. Today is February the 3rd, I think. Yeah, I think it's February the 3rd. Hope you guys are doing good. I am doing well, thank God. So today I was going to turn off light. I don't know why, but today I'm getting ready to go to church. I will not be taking Leo with me because outside is a mess, and I just want to go and come back. Don't have anything to do on the road today. Anything that I had, I am gonna leave until Monday. So yes, I'm here. I'm back. Yes, I am back. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready now to go head out to church. It's about after 10. Our church doesn't start until 11:30. Yeah, it's all after 10 or after 9, almost 10 then. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how outside look. Let me show you outside look. Picture the window. That's how outside look, right? That's the backyard. There's a lot of stuff around there, but if you can see outside all the way over there, it looks messy, like the snow is a mess out there. And on this side, see from yeah, and that was only all of that snow was only from yesterday. And it's probably not only there's so much snow there, it's about probably minus 30 right now, probably minus 26 or 28. Yeah, so I already started the car. Husband not going in the car, and it's cold because outside too cold, so I have it running right now. Okay guys, so I'll see you at church. Hey guys, so I quickly want to show you guys what I'm wearing today. It's just something simple. I don't have my hat on yet when I get to church because I have to put my tam on because outside is cold. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what I'm wearing to church today. It's just something simple, and let me show you. Yeah. So yeah guys, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing a nice dress. I'm wearing this because it's sleeveless, so I decided to get a top for it. So that's how it looks from the back. Okay, see it. Yeah, and I don't remember I got this, but I remember I got the dress from my mom. My mom gave me this dress, and so look sideways. It covers right over my knee, so that's pretty good. So when I'm sitting down, it's easy to just pull over a little bit. And yeah, I just have a scarf here. I don't want to be showing that boobs in the church, you know what I mean? So I got a scarf that goes right here, so it just fills in the gap right there. And yeah, that's about it. I have shoes that I'll be wearing, black shoes to go with it as well. So yeah, that's my outfit for church today, and that's it guys. Yeah, all right, see you at church later. Bye. Just finished making some nice Guinness punch. Guinness peanut punch actually. And just blend up my peanut, my Guinness, my supplement, my little cinnamon, little nutmeg, little vanilla, pinch of salt, and blend up that all together. Well, this is for the hobby, so I'm going to drink mine afterwards. Just gonna put some whipped cream on top. Yeah, I'm gonna go the ice afterwards before I'm putting the whipped cream, before I'm putting the whipped cream. Hey guys, morning. This is a continuation from the vlog from yesterday. Oh, no mind my face probably look all dry and everything like that. But yeah, I'm just in a fresh produce store in Calgary, owned by Indians, which in Jamaica we call them coolie. Right, so I'm just here getting some fresh fruits and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys. We can't turn it around. Fresh fruits here. So yes guys, so that's how it looks. You're coming from over there and you have fruits, and there are some good prices like fruits and veggies and stuff like that. and they're a lot more fresh than what you will get from the grocery store. So this is where I come to get my fresh stuff. You have some pear, which is also avocado. Look at the price, $1.49. You see them there. I have some apple, different all kind of apple. Oh, they have papa. Papa in general is always expensive. Anyway. One for $3.99. They're always expensive. I'm not too sure if they're sweet, so I'm still going to take the chance and buy any. But yeah, I just walk through and get. So they have some okra. Yeah, but these okras are totally different. Oh, here we go. You know, so these are the okras we have back home. Well, these ones are old though, but I get those. Even though it's cheap still, 99 cents a pound. But I did try these type of okras and they're pretty good. They're pretty good. You have to see some stuff with them. We get some green onion, which is scallion. I get some scallion. $1.99. That's not a bad price for the type of scallion you get, because you know you have for all natural thing. Got some eggplant here. I know here people. This is for a lot of people that don't know. Having a banana tree back home, you probably know, or you know have somebody that has a banana tree. So this is the banana flower. So basically, this is the blossom of the banana tree. $1.99 a pound. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I have no clue what they're gonna do with it. But yeah, it's right there. Some kale, broccoli, and and stuff like that. And then they have some habanero pepper for $4.99 a pound. Habanero pepper are very expensive here. I am definitely going to get some of our own pepper. Yeah. And then yeah, I guess that will be about it, because I already got a basket in here. I already got a lot of stuff in the basket. So I guess that will be about it for today. Okay guys, so I'm all done at the store. Let me show you what I got for $30. About 35, right? So this is all the stuff that I got for $35. All the stuff I got, like 2 bags of sweet pepper. 2 bags of sweet pepper that I got, and it has like about 5 into them each, and there's $1 each for the avocado for the pear them. So, and then a bunch of stuff. The pepper was the dearest. The pepper, and yeah, the pepper was the most expensive. The pepper was like $4.95. Let's say $5, right? But yeah, I got mushrooms, I got celery, I got a bunch of stuff there for $35. So yeah, this is the place outside. Daily fresh produce. Yeah, it's pretty big. So this is where I get my veggies and stuff. My veggies and my fruits. Oh my gosh, it's cold outside. It's cold. It's cold outside, man. So yeah, this is where I got all my fresh veggies and fruits and stuff. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's cold, man. Oh crap. So yeah, I wasn't in there for too long, probably like for 15-20 minutes, so the car wasn't that cold. But wow, man, what's on my camera? Sure. Yeah, so I'm in that car trying to warm up myself now before I go to the other place I have to go to. But yeah, see you later guys, because this too cold, man. Oh man, my finger them cold. Oh, wish I was in Jamaica right now. Channel. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I am back at the store because I just picked up my mom from the doctor's office. Oh, here's Nam. Here's my stepfather. It's right here. We're at the store. Say hi, Nam.
Hi, who is it?
YouTube.
Oh.
Well, it's not on YouTube too yet, but it's going to be. Yeah, so I just went, you know what store this was before, right?
What?
Future Shop.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, remember?
Oh, I don't remember, Shauna.
Yeah, it was Future Shop.
This oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah. It was Future Shop before until they ran out of business. No, not you. So I brought back mom here to go pick up some some stuff because there are some really good prices. She's about 2 hours away.
Do that.
YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. I think over there is for like kids play. So she's just picking up some things as well. Mama. What's that? Dumpling? Fried dumpling? Oh, the roti. Oh, okay. May I have one of them at home, you know. To make the roti. Yeah, so she just pick up. Oh, the pepper them. Some pepper up top. Some hot pepper.
I saw it.
Yeah, they're good because when you pinch open one and we can actually smell it. So yeah, that's one of the reasons. Lip dry, man. You have blisters for my lip because of the dryness of the winter. Make it dry. But yeah. We find out how hot they are. We smell it and them smell hot. So yeah, she's just gonna grab everything. Yeah, grab one? The bag over there. And then you pick up the scallion yet?
No.
I think it's up here. Let me pick it up. Pick up the scallion for her. She said she really like how these scallion look at. They're not small and little bit, you know what I mean? So, 1 or 2. It's just said $2. It's $2 for it. How many do you want? How many do you want? 1 or 2? 1? Okay. Here's Norm. Oh, Norman all the way down this one. I think if you let's see if Mr. the one
Okay. This one?
Yes.
Smell it.
You smell it?
Mm-hmm.
You smell it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it smells. It
Yeah.
smells hot, man. It smells hot. It smells hot. So we pinch open it so we can see if it smells hot. And yeah, it smells hot.
Smaller one is supposed to be like this.
Yeah, the small one.
These are just the
I think everything that you're gonna buy here today, the only thing you're gonna be more expensive is the pepper because I buy look a bit more than good amount and it come up to four something. Not that expensive, but yeah.
Can
So
grab
it's good.
some out of yours.
Because a pound them sell it by, right? Yeah, just look for the small one then. Small one, the one. Doesn't really have that much green. I like a couple green, I check out there. I like how them look.
Yeah.
Them don't look so cool. You want okra?
Where is it?
Okra, what's up?
No one that I'm not saying cucumber.
Cucumber. So I have people, so we're in a superstore. I get some stuff. Mom is still here. Just have to buy some stuff. So I just lost her a while ago and just looking around. No, I see her. She's into the clothes section and look on clothes. Mama, I think see it right behind me. Let me get some potatoes, some sweet potato.
This one, man?
Yeah, I like this is the only sweet potato I buy from something there.
Buy this here. Jamaica.
How much is it? $9.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure you have not? Because I think when you say things go down in a barrel or just
No,
don't.
I never get. The little boy never get any.
Okay.
Remember, so you said the red thing of his.
Me know say some little shots go down. That's what I'm saying. Me know say there's name and some of the stuff there, but me I say so little shots go down. Alright, so me get the potato from.
No, this is the one that you buy.
Yeah, that's where I get it. Those are the ones. Because it's the white one. It's the white one. And then a stringy. Like the one that I buy at sometimes I buy at OK Foods and stringy. Things from Superstore, and then we're done with Superstore. She had to go over in the evening before the sun goes down because of the winter and the road condition isn't good right now. So yeah, continue watching people. I'm just show you today. I haven't vlogging in for a while from like after Christmas time. We even have some Christmas vlogs that I had to put up. We'll probably make them and put them up and stuff. Yeah. You finished? Get pumpkin. Let me see.
My hands are picky. Is it straight to red?
Oh yeah. she got pumpkin. You know how much for it? No? Okay. Alright, anyways. Where's that one? They probably gone back at the front part of the store. These are the last things that I have to put away. Wait, Leo, wait now. And these are the peppers that I got, the hot peppers I'm there to the boat. And I got some ginger beer. Mom got some ginger beer too. I got mango carrots. It's not tropical rhythm, it's cool runnings, the brand. Cool runnings. Got some butter, can't believe it's butter. And some chicken and sweetened condensed milk. No, I did not get the Guinness. This already used. Yes, and a few more things we got. We got a lot more things, but as I said, these are what's left. Okay, guys. We're all done off. Come off of the road now. We're finished. I'm here. I just put away the things, but I just remember what I forgot to do before I put away the stuff. I forgot to do like grocery haul and. Never remember. So next time I go shopping, I do that for you guys. I never remember at all. I never remember. So Mama just left. She has to go about 2 more places in Calgary before she go back over to Lethbridge. Yeah. She left. Yeah. So yeah, she has 2 more places to go, and then she head over back to Calgary. Hey, Leo's here. He wasn't with me because outside was too cold, and he's getting over a cold right now. So I'm just in the kitchen finishing up. I'm not finished, put away all of the stuff then. But as I said, I wanted to do a grocery haul and I did not remember that. Don't do that. Leave it. I didn't remember. Honestly, I never remember about it at all. So next time I go shopping, next time I may have like a big shopping. This wasn't all that big, but next time when I do have like a big shopping to do, then I will make sure that I do a grocery haul when I get home with the groceries and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I do have dinner. I'm not gonna do that much things later on. I have laundry to do and that's about it. And everybody know laundry go. You don't really want to see me put clothes in the washer and dry or whatever. But yes, so I'm just gonna end it right here for today. Thank you for watching. Please do, if you have not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. Also remember to leave any comments, ask me any questions. If you have any ideas of any videos you want me to do, please leave that as well. And please do share this video as well. So see you guys later. Alright, later.